let's start our lesson. This lesson is just a video. Here we can slow down. You can stop and ask a question. And we could understand every step together. Okay. I taught my son for many years. The important thing about math is being good at math is thinking clearly, not about the speed. You no need to be quick. You must understand and think clearly. So here we could slow down and think about it together. You could ask me at any time. One digit multiplication in the times tables first. Okay? 6 times 7. Oh no. Okay. Oh yeah.
我刚听懂。
Yeah. We wait for you. Yeah.
56。
Yeah. How about you? Yeah, like this. Do you familiar with? Maybe if you're familiar with this one. I want to say that also if you do the times tables, also multiplication, you can use addition, because if you know this one, you just to do it.
前面0 plus 7 那太少了。It is 27.
27.
28 啊。27. 不是28。
You mean this one?
Yeah, this one 28.
Also, you could use. Yeah.
8吧。
So 7 times 4 also means 7 times 2.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's this. Also this together. Yeah, next one. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. In year 5, one digit multiplication, this more used. So you could familiar with this row. And also you no need to memorize the times tables, but you need to familiar with this. You could practice more, like ride a bike. You practice more and more, you could do it automatic. You don't need to memorize. Sometimes you
我知道了。8乘以9是72。
Yeah. How do you know?
算了，我用8乘以1.9算。
Okay. So you do multiplication. You could use addition, subtraction. It's okay. And also like this. What's the answer?
喂，55。不对呀，等一下40。
Yeah. Times 5.
I guess it's
Also-
8 times 5.
Yeah, you sometimes 5 and
只不过那样更快一点。
yeah.
8 times
You find it's almost 50. The last the ones place also 5050.
25.
Yeah.
30, 35, 40.
You could be familiar with this. And
老师，我知道6乘8了，6乘8是40。1对40，48。
8 times 4. Yeah. So you find they together means 8 times 9. So yeah, so it's easier for you to memorize the times table. You could use this addition. You practice more and more. You could do it automatic. Am I clear? Yeah. But you need to know one thing. You need to familiar with the timetables, because if you do multiplication quickly, you could have some more space to think. Am I clear? It's important. If you want to do math more you have more confidence, you need to be familiar with the times table. It's a
60.
Yeah, it's another questions I learned from the Mr. Sears lessons. You may could to learn to think about it.
600. 32,000.
Yeah. So what do you find?
You just change the first number and just add. Like you just change. I just did like 32,000 and 60.
Yeah. It means a digit doesn't change.
Huh?
This digit doesn't change. You just
and then just add 2 0.
Yeah, and not adding the zeros. It's about move their places. Like this one. 6 times 10
equals 60.
60. What means 60? Is the 6 comes from the west to the 10. It just move their places. The digit doesn't change. Yeah, this one. 6 times 100. The digit move.
200.
Yeah, 10 means move one. 100 move twice, and then add the zeros. Also, they move. The digits move. So times 10, move left 1 place. Times 100, move left 2 places. Digits stay same, only the position change. So it's easier. That's why in Mr. Sears' lesson, we saw some calculation. If we do 6 times 99, we change it 6 times 100
and minus 1.
That's why we do this, because it's easier. Yeah, am I clear? And do you remember
So
his
this
lesson?
equals 60. Okay. Into 6 times 9. No. 600.
So yeah, 600 and minus 6.
94.
So we could do this very quick. That's why in his lessons we need to find the 100, also maybe 1,000, also maybe 200. Okay. We will do some exercise yourself. Let's recite the 2-digit times 4 digits.
8.
Yeah, this one. Do you remember? We do maybe
2 times 4 is
do it in it's a serious lesson. You do it yourself. Yourself.
Okay.
Okay. The first thing I want to say, because I saw your calculus exercise, if we have two numbers, we almost put the last digit at the bottom, like this one. If we change it times 3 digits, sometimes I saw you may put them like this. Look forward. Hi. May I have your attention? Look forward. Sometimes I saw them. So you do this. Put the long digit numbers at the bottom. We put the last one at the bottom because if we put the less here, we did less steps. We just multiply twice. Yeah, like this one. We start with the ones, then we do the tens. It could finish. If we put the 4 digits at the bottom, we need to do 4 times. Okay. I explain this first, then I try to see that again. Do this calculation first. We start with the ones. Everyone is right. But the next step, we start with the tens. We use the ones 4 2 times 3,432, and then we use the tens. Tens 6 means 60. We use 60 to times this. Okay. And we do it together. If you notice, you will find your exercise book is light green book. Yeah, you have a lot of grids here. So you do your results just in the one grid. In writing in one grid about 1 times. So you don't need to do it repetition like this. 4 times 2, 8. But 4 times 7, 28. We write to here in one grid. Okay. 4 times 4, 16 and add the 2. You saw here 2.
18.
18. And right here. 2 times 3. 12 plus 1. Here. You in one grid and no repetition. Use then. If you use, you could cross it. Next, tens, you put there here. 12, you can 1 here. 6, 7, 22, and plus 1, 23, 4 here. And also, here. If you use, you could cross it. Cross it. You could have more than 1. Next one. Here. So, yeah. That's one. Okay. Also, sometimes here we just step. You could do it together. Maybe here. It's okay. Here, it's okay. We just do it before. After finishes, our lesson is off. If we could understand this, we could learn it clearly. I think we are success.
This one is okay. You do the right try. Here which is the red. This one. Just this one. You do the right. You do the right lesson.
You try? Am I right? Maybe I'm wrong.
I think it's 27.
Which one?
28.
This one? We use Okay. It's lucky I'm right. What a pity, this one. This one.
可是老师，我的翻张名照写在地上手了。
可以，我以为手啊。
不是，你先批我，老师你先批我。老师，我现在把这个盒给我，先看看。我要拿这个 here。老师，我先看这盒是我的。老师给我2个。
What's your result?
How many? 个呗。
everyone.
一个两个。2。
大家都有
呀，
吗？
就这样的。
一人2个。
一人看看。
那你们要盒子，我给我一下。
那你还拿？那你这
Multiplication and division, they come together. They come together. They are almost the opposite. Next week, next lesson, we will continue the division.
哦，这啥时候 next lesson 呢？
Oh, I'm good at division. Next week. 你才有3个卡子。
肯定有一个不一样。
I'm good at division.
Look forward here. Vivian here, look forward.
Confident.
Yeah, I want help you to know that math can be understood. Understand is a process.
老师，我们是哪节 math class 来着？
If you want.
And confidence
Comes from understanding. Okay. Class over. We
不
finish.
是 if we